How do you fix Mina the Hollower is crashing on Steam? So first you want to right click on the game in your library, open up the properties, and then in the launch options you can add -dx11 to the launch options. Then go to installed files and verify the game files. Now once this is completed, you can close Steam and then open up your browser and go to this link, which is going to be in the description below. And from this table here, you will need to get the 86 installer and the 64 for the redistributables, both of them. And once you finish the installation, this will require you to restart your computer. So right after the restart, what you need to do is check if your GPU has the latest driver updates installed. For that, you can use NVIDIA app or AMD software, depending on which GPU you have. And then you can check for updates and download and install the latest available version. Next, what you need to do is run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then just launch the game from the library. And that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.